Hi everyone, today we're going to make a super easy and tasty mushroom tostada. Yes, this is mushrooms. Lion mane's mushrooms to be exact. Lion's mane's mushrooms have a ton of potential health benefits like digestive, cognitive, and heart health to name a few. When you're buying fresh lion mane's mushrooms, you want them to be white, dry, and firm. If they're soft or wet, I wouldn't buy them. Also, they don't last too long in the fridge, so plan on using them in a day or two. These are a cool looking mushroom, and you can see all the little strands that look like hairs on the mushroom. This is where it gets its name from. All we need to do to get them ready to cook is to tear them into pieces. I like to keep them about the size of a gumball or smaller, so when we cook them they will still hold their shape. This is also a great natural meat alternative that has a texture that is really close to braised pork or beef when they're cooked. To get the rest of the ingredients ready, we need chopped garlic, sliced jalapeños, and sliced shallots. We also need to fry our corn tortilla until it's golden brown and crispy to make our tostada. You can bake them in the oven, use an air fryer, or buy some that are already cooked. The last thing we need to do is make our chipotle avocado. We're going to do this by mashing a chipotle with a fork. Then add in half an avocado. I like to leave my avocado somewhat chunky, so I'm not going to mash it too much. Add some fresh lime juice, black pepper, and kosher salt. Now we can start to cook our mushrooms by adding them to a hot pan with oil, and we're just going to cook these until they start to caramelize. Now we can add in our shallots, garlic, and jalapeños to the pan and let this cook with the mushrooms. Season with kosher salt and black pepper. Now I'm going to add in some smoked soy sauce. This is just going to add another layer of flavor to the mushrooms. If you don't have this, then don't worry, you can just use regular soy sauce. And then finish it with some fresh lime juice. You can see how the mushrooms kept their shape when they're done cooking, and then with the soy sauce, give it that nice little smoky flavor to it. This is delicious just by itself. Now we just need to assemble our tostada. We're going to start with the tortilla, then our chipotle avocado, our cooked mushrooms, crumbled queso fresco, and you can leave this off to make it vegan, some sliced shallots, some jalapeno rings, fresh lime juice, and some cilantro. And here's the finished lion's mane mushroom tostada. This has all the flavors and textures that you're looking for in a great bite of food. Thanks for watching my video on how to make a mushroom tostada with lion's mane mushrooms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite mushrooms are and what you like to cook with them. See you next time.